Hello and welcome back. One of the most common and widely used training programs or workshops is often based on effective communication skills. While deservedly so, because effective communication is extremely important for employees across functions and job roles, there are few key skills or topics that are often missed. Effective communication skills are one of the most widely recognized and intangibly paid assets of your life, which gives you compounding effect. This is the first video in the series of effective communication skills, so you better subscribe to the channel. Anyways, in this video, we will learn about 7 must learn topics in effective communication skills that will surely pay you off. So, let's begin. First, and the most important one, is emotional intelligence. Actually, the most critical element that covering emotional intelligence as a communication skill topic is letting you participants know how humans behave under stress and why they do so. The fight and the flight response is triggered due to emotional events, and making the participants aware about it helps them to communicate at different levels. The key skills for building your EQ or emotional quotient and improving your ability to manage emotions and connect with others are self management, self awareness, social awareness, and relationship management. At this stage, perhaps you may be thinking that emotional intelligence is a vast topic and it would take much more time to cover this. But fear not, we will cover this entire topic, or in fact, we will cover the 7 entire topics in detail in our future videos. So, till then, stay tuned. Anyways, second skill on our list is active listening. We do not actually listen to what we hear. There are so many sounds coming from all the corners, while our brain needs to focus to grasp sounds that we hear. We do miss off many other sounds and importantly the intention of the speaker. Active listening skills are about understanding communication beyond the sound. It's about focusing on the message and equally on who is providing it and his body language. It is like reading between words. You try to understand not only what is spoken but also what should have been. It is a skill worth learning and is a must cover topic for an effective communication skill program. Third skill on our list is communication under stress. Most of us are troubled by the conversation that is stressful and difficult. A normal response by most people is to avoid conversation or become too aggressive and lose the plot. This is the reason why communicating under stress is an area that must be covered under all effective communication skills training programs. While it is related to emotional intelligence, handling difficult conversation is the actual application and also a result of emotional intelligence. This not only helps in building empathy during communication, it will actually prepare your participant to handle difficult conversations and dialogues. Fourth on our list, and my personal favorite, is storytelling. There are numerous researches that all point to the fact that storytelling is one of the most engaging forms of communication. We all have grown up listening to stories, and stories help us paint a picture of the message. Furthermore, it also helps us relate to emotions. Storytelling is one of the most coveted aspects of communication skills and is a separate skill to develop. However, letting your participant know how and why stories work best as a form of communication with examples will help them in all aspects of communication. Storytelling is a skill which needs a separate training program in itself. However, incorporating some elements of storytelling and helping the participants frame up their own stories will go a long way in making the effective communication skill program much more successful. Fifth on our list is writing engaging content. Most often, we ignore the importance of writing great content in communication skills training. If your training program includes writing communication, you must include writing engaging content as one of its most important topics. This is a skill which is worth having and helps individual a lot in their careers. Sixth on our list is articulation of thought. Often ignored in effective communication skills program, articulation of thought is the must covered topic and the base of effective communication. Most training programs focus on communicating the message. However, the bigger picture of clearly conveying the thought process, the idea or strategy often lacks due to absence of articulation of thought. Seventh and the last on our list is writing winning proposals. The way businesses are conducted today, there is a good chance that you have more proposal writing ahead of you than you suspect. Your high competence in writing a winning proposal will go a long way contributing to your overall professional and personal success. This is the most ignored of the covered topics in effective communication programs, but don't ignore it. So, this is the gist or synopsis of all the topics that must be learned during an effective communication skill program. So, in this series, we will cover all the topics in detail and you will gain a handsome amount of knowledge about effective communication. So, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and drop a comment below according to you which of the following skills is the most important to acquire. And see you next time.